Welcome! If you love discovering new products and want to stay ahead of the latest trends, turning on suggested shopping notifications on Instagram is a must. In this quick and easy guide, I'll show you exactly how to enable these notifications so you never miss a shopping opportunity tailored just for you. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device and head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look to the top right and tap the menu icon, the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger icon. A menu will slide out from the side. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy. This is where you can control all your account preferences and notification settings. Once you're in the Settings and Privacy section, scroll down until you find the Notifications option and give it a tap. Now, you'll see a list of all the different notifications you can manage on Instagram. Scroll down until you spot Shopping. This is the section dedicated to all things related to shopping activities and recommendations on Instagram. Tap on Shopping to open up more options. Here's where you can control what kind of shopping notifications you receive. Look for the toggle labeled Suggested for you. If it's turned off, simply tap it to turn it on. That's it. You've just enabled suggested shopping notifications. From now on, Instagram will send you personalized shopping suggestions, making it easier to discover products and deals that match your interests. Whether you're hunting for the latest fashion, gadgets, or home decor, these notifications will keep you in the loop. If you ever want to turn these notifications off, just follow the same steps and toggle the switch back. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. See you in the next video.